Teaching and learning with Mr. Miller. Hey everyone, welcome to another one of these free Photoshop template download videos. By the way, the download link is going to be in the description for the video. I'll say that now, so if any of you want to just download it and move on, you can just download it there. Please keep in mind that this template I have made myself, but I think I've just copied what someone else has done already. So, you know, if you're looking at it thinking, this looks really similar, yeah, I just copied it. I did this for my students so they could do it for a task that we've done, a starter, or like a practice task. But I thought I might as well give it away for free as well if anyone else wants it. It's pretty self-explanatory. You've got the layers here. I've made them into folders as well. So the upper thirds has got the titles there. The middle thirds hasn't really got much in, obviously, because that's where the majority of the stuff's going to go. And I've got the lower thirds as well. Also important to realize I've used the typeface Arial, but if you go to DaFont or another one of those font websites, whichever one that you use, you'll be able to find a font called Steel Tongs. Steel Tongs. That's a really good font to use. Someone's gone to like painstaking detail to create the actual font and typeface that they've used for movie posters. It can be a bit complex actually, so I've just used my one there, but you know, whatever you want to do, you could probably work it out. My recommendation, by the way, if you are using this for like one of your school or college projects or anything, is before you start, go on to Google Images and find a movie poster for a movie that's similar to the one that you're making, whether it be real or hypothetical, and just look at the conventions, detail what they've done, and try and let their conventions influence you, which is kind of a nice way of saying copying, really. But you know, whatever movie poster you're looking at, they've probably copied another, and they've copied another. So to be honest, you know, it's kind of just what is done in the industry. If you want to be, you know, completely artistic and, you know, create something brand new, you go for it. But my recommendation would be to look at professional examples before you start creating your own. Anyway, I don't think I really need to say much more. Download it if you want to. Give me some feedback. Thanks so much. See you next time.